guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you this fall makeup look using one of my favorite palettes, the Rose Gold Chocolate Palette from Makeup Revolution. If you want to see how I got this look, keep on watching. And while you're at it, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below and ring the notification bell. That way, every time I upload a new video, you can get notified.
Hi guys, it's been a long time since I've done a voiceover, but today I'm starting with a flat top kabuki brush to blend in my foundation. And the foundation that I'm using is L'Oreal's True Match Lume Foundation. I really like this because it leaves a dewy finish on the skin. To conceal, I went in with Maybelline's Master Conceal, and I placed this under my eyes and down the bridge of my nose just to conceal all the dark spots and to really highlight. I used a beauty blender to blend this in. Then I went in with e.l.f. High Definition Powder to cover all of my face with a fluffy blending brush, and I also use this so that there won't be any flash primer. It helps your eyeshadow stick and last all day long. And I just like to use my fingers to blend that in. Next, I went in with the color Uh-Oh from the Rose Gold Chocolate Palette. I used a big fluffy blending brush to blend this all over my eyelids as my starter. Then I went in with the color On My Own to really deepen up the crease. I took this on the same fluffy blending brush and just blended this into the corner and the crease of my eye. Next I went in with Side Chick. I used this to, again, deepen up the corner of my eye and add some definition. Next, I went in with Backup to line the lower lash line and line the upper lash line on the outside 1/3 of the eye. Then I went in with one of my favorite colors from this palette called Luxe. And instead of using a brush, I used my finger to pat this all over the center and first 1/3 of the eye. I went in with a fluffy blending brush just to make sure everything is blended and looked nice. Lastly, I used Independent to highlight my brown bone and the inner corner of the eye. Then I used one of my favorite mascaras, the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara, to coat my lashes and make them really fluffy and stand out. I also went in with a black eyeliner to line my waterline. Next, I used Benefit's Hoola Bronzer to contour my face. I like to use an angled brush for this, it makes it a little bit easier. Then I took a deep berry color for blush and took a fluffy brush and just applied this to the apples of my cheeks. Then I went in with some natural finishing spray, just to set my face and to make the highlighter stand out. I used Champagne Pop from Becca Cosmetics to highlight. And then I went in with one of my favorite lipsticks, the Liquid Catsuit from Wet n Wild. This leaves a metallic finish. Super pretty for the fall. And that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed watching this makeup tutorial. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell. That way you can get notified every time I make a new video. Thanks! Bye!